Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello friends, how are you? I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Now friends, let's move to the details of this video. Friends, my today's video is very important and will create and give you a very creative, stylish and beautiful ideas that how you can use sunflower embroidery for making a lot of DIY type creative material. Yes friends, I will be sharing amazing design ideas that how you can change your perception and ideas of hand embroidery with a one very beautiful nature inspired sunflower embroidery pattern. Yes friends, a number of ideas could be seen throughout this whole video, and you can get creative and amazing ideas with the help of different types and style ideas that is shown in the form of embroidery kit and as well as in the form of different accessories made like jeans, pants, denim, dresses, face masks, saris, blouses and much more. So friends, if we go one by one into the details of these design ideas, then you require different shades of mustard and yellow to make these flowers, and to fill the inner you need some sort of light and dark brown thread colors, and for making the leaves you need different shades of bright pea green, bright green, dull green, olive green and some shades of brightest sunny green. Yes friends, for making these very beautiful flower at a level of professionals, you used Mexican embroidery, or you can use different sorts of filling stitches. And if you are at a beginner level, then no need to worry about, you only need to make lazy daisy stitch for very beautiful sunflower floral embroidery flower petals. And to fill the inner you need to know how to make French knots. French knot is a very easy and one twisted stitch, and you just have to twist it just like you can design your denim, pants, t-shirts, sweaters and much more. And for the leaves around your sunflower you need fly stitch, or even you can again use Mexican stitches. Yes friends, you can use these very beautiful sunflower embroidery patterns to make hoop art, embroidery kit, to give to your loved ones as a anniversary gift, friendship gift, as much more type of preferences and choices you have. And even to enhance the beauty, you can make bees onto the sunflowers to make them look more creative. You can use them as floral bouquets to decorate your rooms, to enhance the beauty of your living room, drawing room. And even you can make these very beautiful sunflower embroidery patterns onto your table covers, dining table covers, coffee table covers, kitchen accessories like pot covers, kettle covers. And for the sort of dress designing, you can use them mesmerizingly for the designing of your shirts, kurti. Even you can make these patterns onto dresses of babies like baby frocks, yokes, tops, skirts. And not only this, the scope is not limited to this. You can make face masks. You can make these design patterns onto the glasses covers, mobile covers, onto your fabricated material, handbags and much more. So I hope that my today's video suggestions, ideas and beautiful sunflower embroidery patterns were helpful for you. If you really like these design ideas, then friends, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. If you are watching my videos for the first time, stay tuned. We will soon be back with you along with some new design ideas. Up till then, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.